Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Standby. This is where the mode lives. Once in, make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS so options match what I describe. You should place the device on a flat surface horizontally so Standby activates when connected to power. Now toggle the main Standby switch to enable the feature. That unlocks widget and lock screen controls. Once done, you can adjust what appears and how long the screen stays active without wasting time on unrelated setup. Next, you customize what Standby shows. Tap Customize under Standby Settings and add or remove widgets. Reposition items so the most important glance is prominent. Then go into Display and Brightness within Standby to set dim timing and auto lock. Shorter times save battery, while longer times keep info visible. Also pick the clock style and whether Do Not Disturb or Focus filters suppress notifications. Make these choices intentionally so Standby presents only what you need, and the device behaves predictably overnight or while docked. To finish, test your changes. Plug the iPhone into power and lay it horizontally to trigger Standby. If the screen doesn't switch, make sure Focus and Low Power mode aren't blocking it, then restart the phone to clear transient issues. Once done, verify widgets load correctly and timing behaves as set. If problems continue, reset Standby settings or install any pending iOS update. That often fixes compatibility bugs. And if nothing works, contact Apple support with the exact iOS version and steps you tried.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.